Welcome, friends. Are you tired of feeling sluggish and drained all day long? Do you wish you had more energy to tackle your daily tasks? Well, look no further. We've got some creative and exciting ways to boost your metabolism and get you feeling your best self. Whether you're a fitness fanatic or just looking to make some small lifestyle changes, these 10 simple tips will help you rev up your metabolism and feel more energized throughout the day. So grab a cup of coffee or green tea. Sit back, and get ready to learn some fun and creative ways to kick your metabolism into high gear. Are you looking to rev up your metabolism and unlock its full potential? Look no further. In this article, we will explore 10 easy and effective methods to boost your metabolism, helping you achieve your health and fitness goals. So, let's dive right in and discover the secrets to a faster metabolism. 1. Stay hydrated. Quench your body's thirst. Water is not only essential for survival, but it also plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy metabolism. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day keeps your body hydrated and supports optimal metabolic function. Aim to consume at least 8 glasses of water daily and reap the benefits of a well-hydrated system. 2. Get moving. Embrace the power of exercise. Regular physical activity is key to firing up your metabolism. Engaging in exercises that elevate your heart rate, such as cardio or strength training, helps build lean muscle mass and accelerates your metabolic rate. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week to keep your metabolism in top gear. 3. Don't skip breakfast. Fuel your body wisely. Breakfast truly is the most important meal of the day, especially when it comes to boosting your metabolism. Make sure to kickstart your day with a balanced meal that includes protein, whole grains, and healthy fats. This provides your body with the energy it needs and sets your metabolism on the right track. 4. Opt for high-intensity interval training, HIIT. Maximize your results. If you're looking for a time-efficient workout that can supercharge your metabolism, HIIT is the way to go. This form of exercise involves short bursts of intense activity followed by brief recovery periods. HIIT not only burns calories during the workout but also keeps your metabolism elevated even after you finish exercising. 5. Prioritize protein. Feed your muscles. Protein is an essential macronutrient that aids in muscle repair and growth. Including protein-rich foods in your diet can help boost your metabolism by increasing your body's energy expenditure. Lean meats, eggs, legumes, and dairy products are excellent sources of protein that can be easily incorporated into your meals. 6. Manage stress. Find your inner zen. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your metabolism. When your body is under stress, it releases cortisol, a hormone that can slow down your metabolic rate. Engaging in stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature can help keep cortisol levels in check and support a healthy metabolism. 7. Spice up your meals, embrace the heat. Adding a dash of spice to your dishes not only enhances their flavor but can also give your metabolism a little boost. Certain spices, such as cayenne pepper and turmeric, contain compounds that temporarily increase your metabolic rate. So, don't be afraid to add a kick to your meals and reap the fiery benefits. 8. Get quality sleep, recharge and reset. Adequate sleep is vital for overall health, including a well-functioning metabolism. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormonal balance, leading to slower metabolism and increased appetite. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to support optimal metabolic function and promote overall well-being. 9. Stay consistent, maintain a healthy lifestyle. Consistency is key when it comes to boosting your metabolism. Adopting healthy habits, such as regular exercise, a balanced diet, and proper hydration, should be a long-term commitment. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can sustain an elevated metabolism and enjoy the benefits it brings. 10. Stay positive, believe in your journey. Lastly, maintaining a positive mindset and believing in yourself is crucial for achieving long-term success in boosting your metabolism.